Centrifuge introduction. Centrifuge is a machine that spins very fast to separate different components in a mixture. To understand how centrifuge works, let's break it down step by step. The centrifuge contains different parts like a motor, a rotor placed above the motor. The rotor contains different wells where we can place different samples. In the first step, we place the liquid samples in the rotor. Next, we turn on the motor. The motor starts spinning at high speed. It produces a special force called the centrifugal force. As the sample spins, different components inside the sample experience the centrifugal force. The centrifugal force acts strongly on lighter components of the sample. Thus, it pushes the lighter components towards the top. The heavier components experience less centrifugal force. Therefore, they stay stuck to the bottom. The top, less denser portion of the sample after centrifugation is known as supernatant, while the bottom denser part of the sample is called pellet. Remember, the extent of centrifugal force depends on the speed of centrifuge. The faster the centrifuge spins, the greater force it generates. Thus, better separation of the sample contents occurs. The rotor in a centrifuge can be of different types like fixed angle rotor, swinging bucket rotor, vertical tube rotor, etc. Types of centrifuge. The speed of a centrifuge is measured in rotation per minute or RPM in short. There are different types of centrifuge based on their speeds like microcentrifuge. It is the smallest and slowest type of centrifuge. It spins at a slow speed ranging from 5000 to 15,000 rpm. It is best for separating small volumes of liquid. Small bent top centrifuge. It is larger and faster than the microcentrifuge. It can rotate with a pace up to 18,000 rpm. High speed centrifuge. It is mainly used to separate cellular organelles like mitochondria and ribosomes, etc. Its speed ranges between 10,000 to 30,000 rpm. Ultra-centrifuge. It is the fastest type of centrifuge. It can rotate with a very high speed up to 65,000 rpm or greater. It is best for the separation of macromolecules and viruses, etc.